Welcome to 3D Printer OS, the easiest way to manage your 3D printers across your organization. Let's see how you can manage your files on our platform. First, we will need to create a project and upload files by selecting them from your computer or dragging them in. After uploading your file, you can change its name to something more memorable. Here, you can find designs from Ultimaker's Thingiverse or 3D Printer OS that are ready to print. The sorting feature will be very helpful if you have hundreds, if not thousands, of different files. Click on the Share button beside a file that you want to share. Enter the email of the person you want to share it with, and click on Share. Feel free to check out our channel for more videos about our platform. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.